Welcome back. In current video, I'll give you an overview of what is FileShare in Azure. So I'll go to Storage Services in the recently created one, and I'll go and click on FileShare. And our job is now to share the files. As I said, you can create FileShare up to 100 terabyte, but you cannot have more than a size of every object should not be more than 5 terabyte. So we'll just give any name. We'll give it as test fs and today's date 05082025, and we'll leave it to default, which is transaction optimized, so we'll pay on the base of the transaction. And this is the default settings, 20,000 IOPS, and this is the maximum capacity it provides. File share is shared on port number 445 into the system. Backup, we don't need it. If you want, users can create the backup, and I'll simply go and click on review and create, and I'll create it. So while the file share is creating, I will also create a Linux and a Windows machine onto the portal so that I can demonstrate how the file share works. So I'll go to virtual machine. I'll click and create a virtual machine, and I'll use the same resource group, and I'll give the name as Ubuntu VM, and I'm going to, okay, let's have this be a Windows VM because it's already selected Windows operating system, and we'll choose the username as Azure user, and password is p@ssw0rd1234, p@ssw0rd1234. I'm just using the default password, and I'm enabling port number 3389. Remaining ports will be enabled by the system later. And I will just select everything to default. I'll just use everything default. Click on networking. I'm going to put it in the public subnet and leave rest to default. Click on management, click on monitoring. I'll disable advanced and tags. I'll put the same location, New Zealand. Click review and create, and we should be good to go from here. So our Windows machine is coming up, and we will just wait for the deployment to begin, and then we will create our Ubuntu VM as well. While it is coming, it's gone for deployment. We'll go here, start creating the Ubuntu VM. I'll click create virtual machine, and the same resource group, I'll call it as Ubuntu VM, and yeah, that's okay. Image, I'm going to select as Ubuntu, and I'm going to use password, which is Azure user, and p@ssw0rd1234, p@ssw0rd1234. I'll just use the default port, so everything looks okay to me at the moment here in the screen. Networking, I'll just select public subnet and just select this, click on management, click on monitoring, disable monitoring, click on tags, location, I'll use New Zealand, and it is created. So this machine will start creating. We'll just wait for the deployment to begin, and here it is. Here we go. The deployment is started now, and we can simply go to our home screen, go to virtual machine, home, go to virtual machine, and Windows VM is ready. Let's connect to the Windows VM. So if you want, you can click on this, and this is the public IP address that we are getting. Copy this, and I'm going to open my Windows Remote Desktop because I need it. I'm going to add a PC, so you need your own RDP to work, and the username is Azure user, and the password is /ssw0rd1234, and it should come. We should be connected to the VM. So we are connected. So while the machine gets ready, we'll go back there and we will go and refresh here, and we will see our Ubuntu VM is also created. So we'll open the CLI here on this page, and we'll connect to the Ubuntu machine. So here it is, and we're just waiting for the shell to come, and we'll simply type SSH Azure user @public IP address, enter. It will ask for the password, and the password is p@ssw0rd1234, enter, and we should be connected. Clear. So we are connected to the VM here as well. We'll just run quick command sudo apt update -y just to update the resource. But we'll go back here and see. So everything is good here in Windows machine as well, and we'll wait for the machine to come up and be ready. So it's updated, and we will also run a quick upgrade and enter, and it is done. So our machines are ready, both Windows and Linux. Now we need to test the file share. How we can share the file between the cross-platform. So we'll go back here to test file share. The file share is ready. We'll go to browse, and this is the file share. I'm just going to upload a file, and I'm going to dump the same screenshot over here, and I will just click upload, and I have the screenshot of GPG uploaded in the file share. Remember, this is in file share. Now I'm going to click connect. So here is connect, and now you need to select what operating system you want to select. If you want to select for Windows, create a script for Windows. If you want to select for Linux, select script for Linux. If you want to use for Mac, select script for Mac. So I'm going to use Linux. Click show script, and you will see the script over here. Copy this, go here and paste it, and press enter, and it is created. So your file system is now available. Let's have a look where it is linked. It is here /media. So you will simply go here, copy this, type here cd/ here it is, and do ls-l, and see your screenshot is here. And if I create a file here, I say sudo touch test file for, let's call it as test file for fs, enter, create it. And if I do ls-l, you have two files. If I go back to my storage account over here, and if I refresh, you will see that the test file for it. Now let's select Windows. Go to Windows. Same, I will just use show script, copy the script. I'll go here, and I'm going to click on this. I'll click on PowerShell, and I'm going to run it as an administrator. Here you go. I'll right click, and I'll say paste. I think it's, let's see. I hope it is fully copied. Yeah, it has connected. Now we are connected. So let's go to our file share over here. Click on this. Click here file share, and you will click on this PC, and your file share is here, and you have two files. Right click. If you want to create a new folder over here, click here new folder, create it, click, new bitmap image, created, click, new text document, created. So if I go here and if I run the command dir, which is, oh sorry, it is here in this system. Well, we can check it over there, but I'll go back here, and if I refresh, all the files are here. If I go here and I say clear, and if I say ls-l, all files. So this is how file share works. And if you want to connect it on Mac, go there, copy the script for Mac and paste it in your terminal window, and you will be connected. So this is all from me using FileShare. Please make sure you delete your resources to avoid any unwanted questions. Welcome. Thank you.